Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My viewers, how are you all? I hope you are well, fit and fine. I am Shahidul Islam Sajjad in front of you. Today, I would like to say something about balance between study and leisure time. Many students think that study all time is the only way to success, but this is not true. We need to give time to our minds and bodies to relax, refresh, and energies. In my presentation, I will explain why balancing study and leisure time is essential for in our body and happy life. Firstly, balancing study and leisure time helps reduce stress. Studying for long time without a break can make us feel exhausted, bored, and depressed. Leisure time activities like playing games, listening to music, and going out with my friends for refresh mind. Secondly, it improves our concentration when we take break to enjoy hobbies and physical exercise. Then we return to studies with refreshed mind and can focus better. Thirdly, studying time develops our creativity and life skills. Hobbies like painting, sports, and learning music make us more confident and problem-solving skills. Finally, a healthy balance supports our mentally and physically. If we can study all time, our body can suffer. So, physical exercise, sleep, and entertainment are vital to keep us our mentally and healthy and motivated. In conclusion, balance study and leisure time is help us to reduce stress and concentration and increase concentration, and is only way to success in our life, healthy and happy student life. Thank you for everybody listening patiently. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.